Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. You are highly welcome to the new month of fulfillment. Be great in your hard work. May the wind, water, and sand, that know all the secrets of achieving every good work, direct your brain and mind to achieve greatness in your works and businesses, to have merriments of your achievements. May the wind, water, and sand fight your battles in physical and spiritual realms, and grant you victory with a prosperous life with sound health as a daily gift each day of your life. Ye say, so shall it be. Today is the 1st of September 2024, also AFO. Market Day in Igbo land. We are blessed. Every Sunday we celebrate water by presenting the water to our Creator Chukwu Okike Abiama, the owner of all humans and languages, to increase the blessings and power of water to perfect the human body with good health and good functioning, for humans to achieve greatness before death. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, aka Wind, Water and Sand, the blessers of the universe, Onye Ndu Ikuku Chineke, the messenger of the truth afterlife.